In this video, I'm going to show you how to send Bitcoin from crypto.com to Ledger Nano X. So what we're going to do, firstly, open up your crypto.com. So go to your crypto.com and log into your crypto.com account. So once I've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do once you're on your home screen here, click on the three horizontal lines, which is on your top left, click on it. And then from there, select your crypto wallet. Okay, tap in your crypto wallet, select it. It'll get to this screen here. So from here, what we're going to do is you're going to click on the transfer option there. And then from there, from the transfer, you're going to choose withdraw. Okay. And then from the withdraw option here, you're going to choose external wallet. Okay, choose external wallet, and then we're going to add the wallet address of our Ledger Nano here. So click on add and then select the currency, which is Bitcoin in this case. Okay, and then select the network, mostly it's BTC, so that's fine. And then okay, the wallet address, so the wallet address is the address of your where you want to send it to, in this case Ledger Nano. So open up your Ledger Nano and then get the code from there, from your Ledger Nano account. And once that's done here, so what we're going to do, you're going to simply paste it in the field here. So for example here, just paste it. Okay, paste it and then give a name. So you just give a name for the wallet. So we'll just put Ledger, hit on continue. Okay, and then click yes to trust it, and then this will be added. Okay, there's okay, so once you have already added it now, so what you're going to do, you're going to simply select it under the wallet address, hit on confirm and withdraw, and then what you're going to do is simply plug in the amount, how much you wish to withdraw, plug that amount and then hit on withdraw, and in that way you'll be able to send your Bitcoin from crypto.com to Ledger Nano.